DivasInFashion.com, 469-571-3647. This is our animal print pant set. This is a two-piece pant set with the tunic is very long and it's a high-low. And it has a waist belt. And you have your buttons going down the front. You have your collar. And you just have your little sleeves here. And this is a palazzo pant. And the palazzo pants has an elastic waist. This is a one size fit all up to size 22. This is a leopard print multi. And again, this is an animal print pant set, two-piece tunic and wide leg palazzo pant. One size fit all up to size 22. And you can find this over at DivasInFashion.com.